this is my second year of being in the engineering academy. I have applied for this program on E-Motorsports and motorsports in general. I am learning about the differences and what is applied to it, and practically there's a lot of determination that is involved with this. I am really excited because this just gives me a step ahead for going into the world of e-motorsports or just motorsports in general when I'm older after high school.